What's up YouTube, Carl's Garage back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your lawnmower engine if it can start, runs a little bit, and then dies off, just like this example. For most gas-powered motors, there needs to be 4 things that need to occur in order for it to run. First, you have compression, second is spark, third is the fuel intake, and fourth is the air intake. So we know we probably have 3 of those, the compression, spark, and air intake, because we were able to start it, but then it died off. So I'm thinking that we're lacking the fuel aspect, because we primed it, got some fuel in there, it started, ran for a little bit, but died off. So I'm going to take apart the carburetor, clean it out in the lawnmower, and hopefully we were able to keep it running and mow the lawn. Let's get to it. You can go ahead and screw the bolts back in so you don't lose them or don't forget where they go. And I'm pretty sure you just slide this up. Nice, okay. Now let's go ahead and take off the air intake. So that pops off, a little filter. We have 2 7mm bolts that we're gonna take out. And there's one more bolt, nice. It looks like for this carburetor, we have 2 bolts on the bottom to empty the bowl out. All right, so we pop this cap off. Now this is a little floating piece. We just gotta pop it out right here. Then we can take it out. So don't wanna lose any of these pieces. Now here's where all the gas goes. All right, so you can see this little hole here. So this is the carburetor. This is where the fuel goes into the carburetor, goes down into the bowl. This senses how much is in there, it pushes it up into here. This is where the air intake mixes with the fuel and then sends into the motor. So now you gotta make sure that all these are clean. So I'm gonna run water in here, clean it out, make sure these 2 holes are clean, and also that gas is able to be sent up and into the motor. All right, so now I got like some water. We're gonna test this hole first. So I cut a little hole in the water, and as you can see, water's being pushed out that hole. So that one looks pretty clear. Oh, nice, okay. So we pry this out, and now we can really see this hole right here that the gas goes through and mixes with the air. So I'm gonna take this wire here, stick it down, make sure it's all cleaned out. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. Can we pull it out all the way? Yes. After we do this rough clean, let's go ahead and put this back together. I mean, the bowl looks clean. Usually you'd see like debris and stuff in there, like little pieces of dirt, but it looks pretty clean for now. This looks all pretty clean. Okay, boom. Okay, we got that back in. We get the bowl, line it back up. Now all we gotta do is bolt it together. So I got the carburetor attached to the air intake. We're gonna slide it on. Then we're gonna bolt everything back together, put the fuel tank on, and get ready to start. All right, last thing to do is fill it up with gas, and then let's start it, see how it runs. All right, let's try it.